Georgia Governor Brian Kemp's order has put the issue of masks front and center in that state. With me now is Kelly Girtz. He's a Democrat and the mayor of Athens, Clarke County, Georgia, which moved to require people to wear masks in public earlier this month. Mayor Girtz, welcome to the NewsHour, and thanks for making the time. I want to ask you about some late news we've just gotten about Governor Brian Kemp and the state attorney general suing the Atlanta mayor, Keisha Bottoms, and the city council for their requirement for public mask wearing. What is your reaction to that?
Amna, this has all been so deeply frustrating. We simply want to create a platform for health and safety for the local population. I've been in constant contact with Mayor Bottoms and other mayors throughout the state. And in lieu of action on a statewide basis, as we've seen in other Republican led states like Alabama and Arkansas, we need to act as local boots on the ground who are keeping people in our communities safe. We are going to continue with our order in Athens, Clarke County, as Mayor Bottoms has also indicated she's going to do, and Mayor Davis in Augusta and Mayor Johnson in Savannah, because we understand that as science has demonstrated over the last many months, it is simply safer to have a mask on for those around you. The droplet disbursement, the aerosol disbursement is diminished by use of a mask. And so we're going to follow
hmm
this. And I have to
Mayor Gertz,
say, I mean,
let me just ask you if I can. I apologize, sir. I know your time is limited, but even the head of Georgia's Restaurant Association has said it's confusing for people to have different rules in different counties. You need one set of guidelines. Let businesses decide if they should require masks. What do you say to that?
it's been interesting because large retailers and very small retailers have said to me, we like a mask order because that sets a citywide or a countywide standard. And so we know from one block to another, from one vendor to another, the public is going to have the same experience. We're also the flagship host for the University of Georgia here in the state. And just a couple of weeks ago, the university system indicated that every student, faculty member, and staff member was going to have to wear a mask in interior spaces at the University of Georgia and in all other public universities in the state. And so, what we want to do is be able to provide the same solid foundation on campus and off campus here in Athens.
Mayor Gertz, let me ask you, both your hospitals in Athens were full yesterday. You had to divert patients to other facilities. Experts say you are not yet at your peak. Do you have what you need now to meet the moment and to handle the influx of patients?
Unfortunately, we don't have what we need. The hospitals are very nimble and they're able to open up some overflow wards interior to their spaces, but it's taken longer to get test kits here and it's taken much longer to get test results here. People call me every day here in my office and say, I'm feeling sick. I've come into contact with somebody who's COVID positive, and it's going to take me 5 days to even get an appointment to get a test. And then I'm hearing that it's taking somewhere between 4 days and 8 days to get results after that test. That's antithetical to the kind of things that need to happen. I mean, I sit here in front of you and I wonder, can I get annexed into Germany or at least North Carolina?
Mayor Gertz, I should mention, as you said, students are coming back to campus at the University of Georgia next month with all this confusion over which rule stands on the face masks in a matter of seconds. Are you worried about compliance and the virus spiking in a few weeks?
Absolutely. Here we are in July, and we haven't even had the student population return. I wonder very much where are we going to be in September and October and November when more people are inside and not in outdoor spaces.
That is Mayor Kelly Girtz of Athens, Clarke County in Georgia. Thank you so much for your time. Please stay safe.
Thank you, Amna.